Removing these heads on the GMC V6. Timing chains right there. About to remove everything to do a valve job. I'll try to give a little description how to remove everything, tools you need. This is what I've been doing. So the tools I always use. Impact. I'll post the link on the description so you can remove that pulley, because you need a pulley remover. Has like 3 legs, claps in and out. So I'm gonna remove everything. Timing chains, I'm gonna remove the heads. Alright, to remove the head bolts, there's gonna be one under the cam phaser, that one right there, that one in there. So you're gonna have to remove the cam phaser, so don't get in trouble. Is remove the camshaft little holders. These ones right here with the 8mm socket. So whatever you remove one, put them in place so you can remember where to put it back in the same place you remove it. Alright, as you guys can see, the camshafts are removed. Let me show you. That's how I remove them. The caps are same where I remove them. So once you remove the head, put the cams back on the holders on top, so you don't mix it. So let me go ahead and remove that one. I'll let you know what head bolts are those. Alright, for those head bolts, you're gonna need a 15mm socket. Bam. So you're gonna remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 head bolts with the 15mm. Alright, for the ones under the cam phaser, which is this one and this one, those are no 15s, those are 13. The rest are 15s. Alright, head bolts are off. All I did on the exhaust too, I left it in there. If it's on your way, disconnect it from the bottom. But what I did disconnect the fourth from the head. As you can see, we have space right here. If it's not enough space, get it from the bottom. And the fuel pressure chingadera right here, I unplugged it. Get the thing off and I push it on the side. I have the hoses right here. So whatever is on your way, unplug, disconnect. Everything is on your way. Like this plug you see is connecting in here, so I'm gonna have to get it off. But you see it's already moving. It's ready to. This one is ready to come off. See, already came off. Let me go ahead and remove it. Alright, the left head is almost off. I want to show you guys. There's a plug in here. See this plug in here? That one right there. This plug goes on the gas chingadera right there. I don't even know how it's called. But the one for the fuel. It's a high pressure. It's not a pump. I don't even know how it's called. But yeah, there's a plug. So I had to unplug that one. And this head is coming off. You see how the exhaust stay in place? You have space to move it off. Almost out. Alright, head is out. Left head is out. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the cams back in place. Left on the left. There's no way to miss it because you see a little triangle in there. It's the one that moves the fuel chingadera. There, so now one by one put it back in there. And then next one, the front head bolts, I removed those with the impact, but once in the back you're gonna need one of these back boys, a breaker bar and a long 15mm socket, because boy, those are super tight. And in this one won't have the 13mm bolt on the front, so you're lucky, only 15s, and you don't have to remove the cams because they fit through here. Alright, on the rear head, which is the right side, I thought it was only 15mm bolts in here. I think it was like 8, but there's one more right here. It's a 13 millimeter right here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see the light. You see it right there? That's the one. So it's a 13 millimeter. Let me go ahead and remove that one, and the head is ready. Of course, I have to unplug the exhaust on the bottom. All right, another surprise. You see this little fatty in here? It has a bracket. See one of the legs there? This one right here. There was a 15 millimeter bolt right here holding the bracket into the head. So it went through the side. There, I removed the 15. So now the head is moving. Look. See how it's moving? So now I'm gonna go get the exhaust in the bottom, and the head is coming out. Alright, head is off. More surprises. Right here is a 10 millimeter bolt with the ground, which is this one. And another one right here. Time savers, 10 millimeter. Once that one done, head is coming off. Well, there we go. Second head is out. The reason why we removed this one, see little rockers right there? The timing went off for the timing chain, and it broke all of them. See the little pieces in there? I'll post the picture. Oh, let me see if I can get this one. You see? It broke all of them on the intake side. I'll post the picture of the ones I removed when I was inspecting. But yeah, the second head is removed. Thanks for watching. Wait for the install, how to install it, timing chain, torque, on the all other specs. This is video number 1. Wait for video number 2 on the install. Thanks for watching.